It feels lovely. Feels so lovely. It's me that
Hey everyone, it's Chalina Achol, the Sudani mommy. Hey, Miss Berna. Here I'm back with actually a cooking video. Not many know, but I can throw down a little bit. So I'm going to be making one of my favorite soups, red pepper bisque. It's like an upgrade from a tomato soup. Red pepper is the OG, the best pepper out there. And I'm also making my gourmet grilled cheese sandwich. Red pepper bisque is like an upgrade from a tomato soup. I'm not a big fan of tomato soup. I don't know why people like it. I used to work at a bakery. We had like this really nice grilled cheese sandwich that I really like. First off, let me tell you what ingredients you're gonna need. We'll start with the soup part. 3 red peppers, 2 tomatoes, and a poblano pepper, 3 onions. If you have like a big onion, that will do, or like two medium-sized onions. Quarter of one for my grilled cheese sandwich, but the rest will be inside the roasting pan. Some fresh basil, a bay leaf, some olive oil, some chili powder. Also, you can use a cayenne pepper or paprika as well if you'd like. 2 garlic cloves, some chicken bouillon, majid, that's what I call it. Secret ingredient, tarragon leaves. I don't know what it is. It gives it like an earthy heat for some reason. I love it. And this like complete seasoning pack, adobo seasoning would work too. It's kind of similar. It's just like a dried herb mix. Black pepper. I am lactose intolerant, so I want to make it dairy free. So this is my dairy free red pepper bisque soup. And I'm using coconut milk. Also, you can use vegetable broth if you have some. I'm just gonna use water because I don't have any. So first things first, I'm gonna preheat my oven to boil. Did you guys ever watch cooking shows growing up where like legit they'll put something in the oven and like 2 seconds later pulling like another rack of whatever they cooked earlier? And I'm just like, TV magic, man. It was the greatest. I'm gonna give them a quick roast. Here you see so far I have the poblano pepper, red pepper, and the tomatoes. I'm gonna chop up the garlic and the onions and put that on top. I like to make sure there's like an even coat across the top. I think that's about it. I'm gonna roast this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's like smoky, like burnt tips out of the bottom and it's like a little soggy. Okay, so while the veggies are in the oven roasting, I put it on broil low for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna start on my gourmet grilled cheese sandwich. First things first, I need some caramelized onions. So I'm gonna cook that separately before I make a sandwich. I only need a little bit of this. I don't need too much. I'm gonna make 2 grilled cheese sandwiches, one for now and one for when I'm in the mood. I'm cutting them like laterally so they're kind of like in a sandwich, but they're like flat, as flat as possible. I'm gonna saute my pan with some butter and toss these in. No, I actually just had a great idea. I'm gonna cook my bacon first, and then I'm gonna use that extra oil from the bacon to cook my onions. Put this other half of this onion in the fridge and save that for later. I had to squeeze these bad boys out. Those two close in there. To blend. I'm leaving the cap part out because it is hot, so I don't want that pressure to like blow it up. Just make sure you just leave the opening open. Put in a bay leaf. I'm gonna put in some fresh basil. 1 cup of coconut milk. Some tarragon leaves. More complete saison. Some black pepper. Some chili powder. Gonna let that simmer for about 30 minutes. Now I'm about to build my grilled cheese sandwich while I let that soup simmer for a little bit. I'm just using a whole wheat bread. I have all my supplies here already set up. I've got my sharp cheddar cheese, my goat cheese, Gouda cheese, and some butter, caramelized onions, and bacon. First, I'm gonna butter the backside of these outside of the sandwiches. This is Gouda cheese I poorly chopped up. I'm gonna start there. And then I'm gonna add some sharp cheddar cheese. And then some goat cheese. And then some bacon. we're all done. Ugh, it took forever. Here is the grilled cheese. Yum. Can you see that? The bacon. The spices from the Bisque soup. That's why I don't really like tomato soup. It's too flat. This right here, it's like an upgrade, you know? If you know, this is for the foodies that really like a little something extra. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make this, and hopefully you guys can give this a try one day. And if you do, please let me know. Comment down below or send me some pictures or something. I'd love to see the renditions of this as well. Again, it's Chelina the Chilla. Thanks for tuning in. If this was your first time, welcome. Please subscribe, enjoy the family, and let me know what else stuff you guys like to see on my channel. So far, I'm just doing things that I love to do. Hair, eating, traveling, just weekly vlogs here and there. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Love you.